Now, in this video, we will talk about memory unit. What is memory unit? Memory unit is used to store data and instructions. It stores data in machine language, that is in the form of 0 and 1. The binary digit 0 and 1 are known as bits. मेमोरी यूनिट में किसी भी डेटा को हम स्टोर करते हैं. कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? डेटा को स्टोर करता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 and 1. This unit is also termed as primary memory. It consists of three parts: RAM, random access memory; ROM, read-only memory; and cache memory. So, what is RAM? Random access memory. It is used to store data and instruction temporarily. It retains data in it as long as the power is on. All the contents of RAM get cleared if power supply is turned off. ये क्या होता है? ये टेम्परली स्टोर करता है किसी भी डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को. यदि हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम की पावर ऑफ हो जाएगी तो ये जो डेटा है वो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? क्लियर्ड हो जाएगा. Whenever a software is opened, it automatically gets opened in RAM. So it is temporarily store data. If power is off, then data will be automatically cleared. That is RAM. And next is, it is also called the primary memory. Okay. There are two types basically: dynamic RAM and static RAM. There are two types: dynamic RAM and static RAM. So what is dynamic RAM? Dynamic RAM, these are made up of transistors and capacitor. The amount of data taken to produce data required from memory. And what is static RAM? These are made of flip-flops and offers faster access time, about 10 nanoseconds than DRAMs. So there are two types: dynamic RAM and static RAMs. And next is ROM. What is ROM? Read-only memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Data is permanently stored in ROM. ROM contains instructions need to start up the computer and load operating system into RAM. इसमें जो स्टोर डेटा होता है, पावर ऑफ होने के बाद भी हमारा जो डेटा है वो ऑफ नहीं होता. There are various type of ROMs like PROM, like PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. And next, Flash EEPROM, Flash EEPROM, and Mask ROM. So